I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and as you know, interviews of HRRL, HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited are going on nowadays, and this job is for two category of students, one who are freshers, another with job experience. So those of you who are going with the job experience, very commonly asked question is that why you want to quit your job. Obviously they know that you are coming with job experience and now you want to join HRRL, but why you want to quit your earlier job, and students are finding it difficult to answer. Let me tell you, there can be couple of answers for this. First can be that, sir, the present job, which I'm first most important thing you need to keep in mind is, do not criticize your present job. Do not do that. Sir, even if you want to say that my salary is less and HRRL is going to give me more salary, that is a right answer actually, but there is a way to say that. Do not criticize your present job. Even if you want to compare the two, there is a way to say that. There is a way to say that. For example, if you want to say that HRRL is a public sector and what I am working is in a private sector, then there is a way to say that. Sir, my present job is very good and that has taught me many things, but since college days I was interested to join public sector. Why? Because in my society where I live and all, sir, public sector are very prestigious jobs. So a lot of reputation associated with the public sectors. And another reason is, sir, like public sectors work in social motive domains. They work for social motive, not for profit motive, but private sectors normally work on profit motive. So I want to work in organization which is on the social motive. Private sector को भी profit motive पे काम करना पड़ता है, otherwise how they will survive. So you are not to criticize private sector. Yeah, you can praise public sector without criticizing private sector. Then your salary is less और public sector में तुम्हें ज़्यादा salary मिलेगा, तो उसको कैसे बोल सकते हैं? You can always say that, sir, no doubt my present job is very good, but I will get a high growth if I get opportunity to work in HRRL. I will get more than 50% hike in my salary, sir, and I will be getting very prestigious job profile also, diversity, और ये बहुत बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और ये एक ग्रीन फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट है. तुम्हें पता है HRRL जिस चीज के लिए तुम्हारा रिक्रूटमेंट हो रहा है वो ग्रीन फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट है. ग्रीन फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट मींस everything will be started from scratch. So you becoming the part of this, you will be learning a lot. तो ग्रीन फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट में तुम्हें काम करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा एंड यू विल लर्न अ लॉट. तो उस डायरेक्शन में you can answer this particular question. So as job experience fellow, why you want to join it, and then it depends upon your job. So those of you who are going to HRRL interview with the and you are having job experience, normally he will ask you interview में he will ask you questions related to your job. One more query of the students is like, sir, how many we have read technical subjects long back, so easy going to ask us question from technical background questions also. Answer is yes, probability is there, but if you pull interview in particular direction, in the introduction itself you talk about your job, and if you can pull the interview in your direction of your job, then they will ask you question from your job only. So prepare your job profile very well, what you have done there, what is your roles and responsibilities, what are your achievements in your present job. So those things you prepare well. And the second is why you want to shift, that I gave you idea. We will meet on HR mocks, we will go for that, and then I will suggest you better for individually, I mean for your case, what should be the best answer, we will prepare that. So this is a great opportunity, try to encash it. Thank you.